tell you what I saw. When you break it off, you'll see who had it all. You had it
Hello guys, we reached Devarayan Durga in Karnataka, which is Yoga Narasimha Swami Temple, Bhoga Narasimha Swami Temple. This is the entrance, and now we're gonna have a beautiful scenic places. So please keep watching. This place is very calm, so pleasant, beautiful nature. This is the popular hill station. This hilltop has the Yoga Narasimha and Bhoga Narasimha temples. On the way we can even see the natural spring Narmada Chilmi. So that is really amazing. This temple is a nature adventure combo, guys. It is really a beautiful hilltop temple surrounded by the forest. Very peaceful, windy, clean and scenic place. We still not reached the hilltop, guys. You're gonna watch more beautiful scenic places. Keep watching. Guys, as per the research, I came to know there is no restaurants, but also a good news, guys. Don't have to stay hungry as street vendors sell snacks, dry bale, beverages, especially when you're tired. They taste really great, no guys? So, let's have it. On the way you can see there are many bikers visiting this place because it is going to be an adventurous combo, I told you, no guys. So same way they'll really enjoy coming with friends, not with family. So here is a Yoga Narasimha Swami entrance and other side is the Bhoga Narasimha Swami temple entrance. Once we reach here, we need to visit both the temples. Now first we're gonna visit Bhoga Narasimha Swami temple. For that, we need to climb nearly 100 steps, it seems, and it is not going to be so tough. Don't get afraid of the steps, guys. It is as simple as walking on the road. So I'm going to show you now, then you decide it. And it is not so compulsory. People who are really wanted to visit Bhoga Narasimha Swami, only Bhoga Narasimha Swami temple when they don't have time, yes, you can do it. You can just take the darshan of Bhoga Narasimha Swami. Then next time you can visit to Yoga Narasimha Swami. That's up to you. Now we almost reached to the hilltop. The car will go and there is also a parking place. So we need to park our car over there. Wow, we are going to hilltop, guys, to see the beauty of the nature. I really love to watch the beauty of the nature. I'm a big time lover for the nature. My son is really enjoying the cool breeze while we going, but it is not safe, guys, and it is not the encouraging video also. Just for fun it is, and be careful while going in such places. Please close all the windows of the car, then reach safely and go home safely. We reached, guys, so that is the temple on top of the hill, and here let's park our car and let's go. First let's see if there is any snacks because we are really feeling damn hungry. We didn't have anything from the morning, so yes, let's go. Wow, it's really cool, guys. Here are a few shops. So, flowers, coconuts, snacks is also available. And this is the beauty of the nature from the hilltop. This is the shop I saw with the snacks, and yes, I'm ready to have it. Here is my favorite snack, so let me have it. We already purchased a plate because we came with a family. Now let me have it and let you know how the taste is. Really, my mouth is watering, guys. So we are searching for the place where to sit and have. There is even a place, guys, to sit, have, enjoy, but you need to be very careful with these cutie monkeys. Finally, we found a place here, so we sat and enjoying with this bhaji. It's very tasty, guys, and the spiciness also superb. I don't know, because we are hungry, we are feeling this taste, but it's really awesome. I thought it's a bhaji mirchi, but it is a normal mirchi. What we're gonna use it for the recipes. Wow, it's very tasty, guys. And finally, we got tears with that spiciness, but we really enjoyed with the taste because the climate is also like that. And now we done with it. Now let's start climbing the steps. Did you see the steps, guys? It is a well constructed temple on hilltop with the steps from the foot of the hills. That definitely you will feel it. And yes, come on, let's go inside. Wow, did you see it? It's amazing, mind blowing, guys. Beautiful nature. I'm really speechless, guys, looking at this nature at this point. Oh my god. It's really wonderful experience in my life. Let's not stop here. Let's go further to see even more beautiful nature. So please come. And here is a small tunnel which they made maybe during the rainy season or the summer season. It is going to be a great shelter for the people who are visiting this temple. And here you can see a big hill, guys. Beautiful it is. And in hill itself there is one tree grown up. That is again a miracle here. Did you see? Wow, superb, no, guys? It's my favorite spot only, I can say. Walk through this, I'm really feeling so happy. I really forgot to take pics of mine or my family, guys. I just wanted to enjoy the nature and want to show you this beautiful nature. So here, from here, if you see, it's even more beautiful. We reached top of the hill. From there, if you see the view, wow, it's mind blowing. And here is the temple. This is out on the top of the hill. Now let's go and have a darshan of Bhoga Narasimha Swami. If we want to buy the coconuts or flowers, we can come here and then we can buy. It is going to be very safe in our hands. Because everywhere, if you see, there is only monkeys. We need to be very careful with them while buying flowers or coconuts, or while having even snacks. We need to be very careful. So yes, we just enter inside the temple. So now let me have the darshan and get back to you guys. We are done with the darshan, guys. It's really beautiful. And from inside the temple, I just made this video and it is beautiful. Now we are going back. While going back also, I'm going to show you the beautiful scenic places from here. So please keep watching. While climbing also, we need to fill the fuel to our stomach. And while going back also, definitely we need to fill the fuel, because we'll be that hungry climbing the steps and getting down from the steps, because we're going to spend that much time on top of the hill looking at this beautiful scenic places. And yes, it is really a beautiful place. And of course, now you're in a position to understand why I told so many times it's a beautiful temple, and it is a great adventurous combo. Yes. Am I right, guys? If so, please do comment in my comment box. And if you really like this video, just give a big thumbs up. And this video is really informative for you guys. Then you know, right, guys, what to do. Don't forget to subscribe. So here we just remember to take a pics. It is that beautiful place. My son really wanted to be here only, it seems, because he also enjoys the nature. He really wanted to be with the nature. And yes, here he started playing. And guys, we need to be very careful. Don't allow your kids to be like that. Don't leave them alone. We are just next to him only, just to take few clips. We just made him to sit there. So anyways, this is how from here. While going, I had a spicy chili bhaji. So now we're gonna have something else. So let's see after going there what to have. So here the bale is famous, it seems. So let me even taste that. Wow, definitely the taste of this chilies, it's still there in my mouth. It is just refreshed my mouth, guys. And there is even fruit salads, but we just purchased the bale. We sat in the car and we had the bale, guys, because we don't have much time, because we still wanna visit Yoga Narasimha Swami temple. So let's go there now. So getting down from the hill, right side is the Yoga Narasimha Swami temple. So this is the main arch to the entrance of the Narasimha Swami temple. So let's go from here. Very less devotees I saw, guys. Here and there, 4 or 5 devotees were there. And it is a good time to visit the temple, I really felt. And yes, here is the bale. I'm just offering this bale to the monkey. Now you guys see how it is gonna take. This is the entrance of Yoga Lakshmi Narasimha Swami temple. Let's go inside and I'm gonna have the darshan and get back to you guys. We are done with the darshan, guys. It's really amazing and beautiful, mind-blowing experience coming here. Devarayan Durga in Karnataka. Who are really staying in Karnataka, please don't miss this place. Try to visit this temple when it is safe. And on the way I saw this fresh spinach, because this temple is surrounded by small villages and the forests. They'll be bringing all this fresh spinach and selling here, and this is very rare spinach, it seems. So anyway, I just purchased it. Now that's all for today's one. Thanks for being with me again, guys. Let's catch up with a new vlog again tomorrow. Till then, do like, share, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel, which is VRK Homemaker.